Okay, while our other cookies are cooking, we are going to do another cookie.
Another cookie?
Another cookie.
Another cookie?
It is not a super difficult cookie. You can see the ingredients here. We're doing a mincemeat cookie. We are preheating our oven to 400 degrees. Again, it's approximately a 15-minute cookie. And I'll check my test cookie on these at about 12 minutes because the other ones cooked a little faster. So, the first thing you need to get is 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt, a 1/4 cup of butter, which isn't out here.
You idiot. Did you forget the butter?
I forgot the butter.
She forgot the butter.
I'm getting the butter.
You want the butter?
Air nail butter.
Air nail butter?
Not air nail. There's our butter.
Air nail?
It's going to be out of screen, I'm sure.
You got just the tip of the stupid dumb
just
plate.
Whatever.
Oh, don't whatever me.
And then we have 1/2 cup of sugar, and that is there, and 1 unbeaten egg.
Do you know how to beat an egg, Mother?
I know how to beat them bloody.
Is that how it works?
Okay, what we're going to do is we are going to sift our flour. See, here's our flour, here's our sifter.
They actually can't see. Now they can.
If you don't have a sifter, you can use just like a sieve, a screen sieve.
Like a pasta strainer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm sifting my flour nicely here.
And very noisily, mind you.
Well, of course, it makes noise.
Yeah. You have to realize that people can hear the noise over us because, you know.
Well, that's life in the fast lane.
We're not fast, though.
Now here is our salt and baking powder going in. So we've mixed those three things together.
And let me go back to my cheat sheet.
Oh, shut up.
No, I need my cheat sheet here.
Bite me.
No, thanks. I don't like jerky. I'm gonna have to edit this.
You guys can figure it out.
You're just screwing it up.
Oh,
Stop making so much noise, you animal.
I am trying to lock it back in.
Well, how about
because it'll be a whole lot more noisier if I don't.
Well, how about you stop making all this other noise?
Okay, here's our butter.
Yeah, it's butter.
It's going in there.
I would have laughed. I was gonna laugh if it stuck to the plate. Just get off.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised at all. So we're going to stick our little flapper dinghy on.
A 1920s woman? That type of flapper?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
And we're going to turn this on and we're going to start creaming our butter. Now that is creamed well,
according to her cheat sheet,
we are going to add the egg. And we are going to beat this until it is light and fluffy.
And dead.
Okay, so our butter is creamed.
Hey, guess what's beeping? Hey!
I'm beeping.
Hey, what's beeping? Don't be swearing on camera. We could have kids watching. Just saying.
Okay, I'm just going to wait.
Thank God my eyes are plastic.
I'm just going to wait for that to finish. Hey! Copyright.
That's my line.
Well, you fucked up.
What did I just say?
You fucked up. That's what you just said.
I didn't.
You fucked up majorly.
We could have kids watching. So stop that. Meanie animal meanie.
Okay, now we're going to add our mince meat. This is just a jarred minced meat.
Mm-hmm. Now normally if something's jarred, it's jarred.
Jarred.
It's jarred.
This
What
is
would you
1
say
cup.
it smells like?
Kind of reminds me of a spice candle. That's what it reminds, or a tea,
Like
a
when
spiced tea.
Like with a candle, like as you smell it or when you take a bite out of it?
Well, I don't normally eat candles, so smell.
Keyword?
Normal.
Normal.
Okay, we're just going to mix this up real quick. Okay, that's all mixed up. Now we are going to just set the mixer to a light spin, and we are going to fold in our flour. Now, I've never made this recipe before, but
Oh, we're professionals.
if I were guessing, I would say that this is going to be too thin a batter, but this is exactly why we do test cookies.
Yo.
So I'm going to make a test cookie with these.
And of course, walk away so the audience can't hear you. Because why would you? It's not like we're trying to make a somewhat professional.
Loud, so shh.
It's not like we're trying to be professionals here or something. That's the entire point of this, is that we say that we're professionals.
We are just real life people baking cookies.
Well, we've made more than cookies, I'm going to say that, but, I mean, I guess you can consider
Well, I'm
everything to be
baking
a
cookies
cookie.
today, so shush your nose holes.
We could go ahead and consider the chicken a cookie, too. You never know.
Okay, well, there's our test
Yeah,
cookie.
you didn't see it.
There it is.
You know, I'll just stop moving. I'm moving the. I mean, you animal.
There's
Absolute
our test cookie.
Animal. Thank you.
I'm going to plop that in the oven and see what happens.
If you see flames in about 5 seconds, you know what happened. Do you want to lick the spoon, Mr. Krabs? No. He never talks much. Come on, Grandpa Polly. You know you want to talk to the kids. You know you want to.
Now we are ready to put our cookies on the pan. This was a fine dough for making the cookies. They spread just fine.
It was a deer?
So yes, dough a deer.
Oh.
So we're using our cookie scoop. This is a lot easier batter to scoop out than the last stuff.
Don't put deer into your cookies.
Generally don't.
I'm not either.
Of course, I always wondered what mincemeat was.
Well,
but no, it has nothing to do with meat, okay, people?
Yeah, I was going to say,
kidding.
there's no meat in there.
Just kidding.
The comments, we don't even have comments yet. This isn't going to be uploaded until like December. So.
It's going to get loaded before then.
Oh, that's what you think.
I know so.
Oh, really?
So
and how do you know so?
we're just putting the dough up here.
Mother, you have to remember, I'm the one that has to edit these and then upload them.
Well.
So.
I don't think you want to know what they do in the cookie world.
I'm
not sure you would ever eat those cookies again. Well, you wouldn't anyway.
I was going to say, I don't eat cookies.
I know you don't.
I'm going to assume a lot of diabetes.
Okay, there's our tray.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll go put these in the oven. These are going to actually go in for 12 minutes because, again, our test cookie was browned in about 12 minutes. So we're going to leave it at that, and we'll see you when these are done baking.
You know what these look like? They look like poo.
You look like poo.
Thanks.
Okay, so we'll see you in a bit. And here are our cookies, fresh out of the oven. They're very lightly browned. They got a nice little spread on them. And there's your bottoms, and they're very hot. So we'll take them out, cool them on the rack, and then they're ready to eat. This particular recipe made a total of 22 cookies. Okay, see you next time for our next round of cookies or whatever else we decide to make at that time. Message us for items you'd like to see made.